Today I am going to explain about process costing. First question: a process passes through three processes. The output of each process is treated as the raw materials of next process to which it is transferred, and output of the third process is transferred to finished stock. Here what they are saying, the output cost of first process, the what output we will get for the first process, it will be the input for second process. The output which we get from the second process, it will be the input of third process. This is what it is telling. Next one is, they have given labor cost, material cost and manufacturing overhead. They have three processes in this problem. Next is, 10,000 units has been issued for the process 1. They have issued 10,000 raw materials in the units form. They have given 10,000, but here we have material cost is 40,000. Here for 10,000 unit it has cost 40,000. That means for 1 unit 4 rupees it has costed. Next is, after processing, the output of each process is as under. We have to calculate all these three processes, we will get the output, right? So after that, after calculating output, they have got the 9,750 units as a finished product in the first process. Next, in second process they have got 9,400 units. In third process 8,000 units. Again they have incurred some normal losses, that is 2%, 5%, 10%. No stock of material of work in process was left at the end. Calculate the cost of finished goods. We have to calculate a cost of finished article or finished good. Now we have to take this 10,000 units as a raw material cost of first process. Let's calculate the first process account. I have already written 10,000 units. What I said, the rate is 4 rupees. If we multiply this, we will get 40,000. Next we have to take labor, that is 6,000. Directly we have to take, here there is no adjustments in this problem. I have taken labor 6,000. Next what we have, overhead cost, manufacturing overhead, we have 10,000. So we will write here manufacturing overhead, that is 10,000. In debit side we will get only this much. In credit side, now we have to take the normal loss. How we will calculate normal loss? Here they have given the percentage, 2%. On what units? On 10,000 units we have to calculate 2%. On 10,000 units, if we calculate 2%, we will get 200. 10,000 into 2%, we will get 200 units. Here they have not given the rate, we have to not mention. Next is by abnormal loss. Here abnormal loss information is not given. That means how to calculate? Here the normal loss is 200. The final output is 9,750, right? If we minus 10,000 with 200, we will get 9,800. This 9,800 minus 9,750, we will get 50. I will repeat it again. 10,000 minus 200. This is an normal loss. We will get 9,800 minus 9,750. We will get 50. Here we have to calculate the rate. How we will calculate? We have formula for calculating the cost per unit for abnormal loss. That is, cost per unit is equal to total credit side in process cost, process account, minus normal loss scrap divided by total units input in process account, minus normal loss in units we have to take. Here in this question they have not given the scrap. So total credit in the process account. Credit side how much is there? 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 10,000. We will get 56,000. So this 56,000 we will take minus scrap is not given, so 0. Total units input in the process account. What is the input? We have taken 10,000 units minus normal loss we occurred 200, that we will take 200. So 56,000 divided by 9,800, we will get 9.714. This amount we have to take here in the abnormal loss 5.714. If we multiply, we will get 2.571. Now we have to calculate the process 2 account by process 2 account. This is the balancing figure. Here what is the left out amount? That is 9,750. This we have to write from seeing here. 9,750 is there, same we have to take here. Then at the cost is 5.714. If we multiply, we will get one value. If we multiply, we will get 55,711 rupees. 0.5. If we add, we should get the same value. Then our problem is correct. If we add, we are getting 55,997. We can round off 56,000. Only 3 rupees is less. We can round off. This will transfer to process 2 account. This will be the raw materials for process 2 account. Now we will calculate process 2 account. In process 2, raw materials is 20,000, labor is for 4,000, manufacturing overhead is 10,000. Now material, we will calculate process 2 account. That is material cost is 9,750. This is the output of the process 1 account. At the rate of 5.714, we will get 55,711.5. Now we will take material cost. How much they have given? 20,000. Next is labor 4,000, manufacturing overhead 10,000. Now we will calculate normal loss. On 9,750 we have to calculate 5%. We will get 488 units. Now process 3 account. For process 3 account, how many units they have giving? 9,400 units. Now here 9,750 here is there. Here 9,400 plus 488. If we total, we will get 9,888 units. Here also we have to get the same, right? Then here abnormal loss, if we get less here, it will be abnormal loss. Now it is less, right? So here abnormal gain. How many units? 9,888 minus 9,750. We will get 138 units. Now we have to calculate the cost. Same as process 1, we will calculate for process 2 now. If we total, we will get 55,711.5 plus 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 10,000. If we add, we will get 89,711.5. Minus here we don't have scrap value, it will be 0. Next is number of units 9,750 minus scrap value, a normal loss 488. Now we have to take divided by 9,750 minus 488. We will get 9262. If we divide 89.5 divided by 92, we will get 9.686. So this value will be the cost. Here 9.686 into 138. 9.686 into 138, we will get 1336.6. If we add both the, here also for process 3 we have to multiply, right? 9.686, 9400 into 9.686, we will get the answer. We have to write in this place. We will get 191050. So we will write here. Here if we add, we have to get the same value, then our sum is correct. We are getting 91048.1. We can round off it to the 9150. Now this and this is same, right? So our answer is correct. Same way process 3 you have to do. We will calculate process 3 account. What will be the input? Here process 3 account, raw materials 9400, 9.686, 91,050. Next material cost is 10,000, labor 1,000, manufacturing overhead 15,000. Next normal loss. We will calculate normal loss 9,400 into 10%, that will be 940. Next is abnormal loss here. Process finished goods account. Finished goods account, because the third process is the last process. So this is the final process. We will be writing as finished good account. That is 8,000 is the finished good units was the output. So here 8,940 we are getting, here 9,400. That means here also we are getting abnormal loss. Only in second process we got gain. This is abnormal loss 460 units. Now we have to calculate the cost. How we will calculate the cost? Same as this. We have to total all this. If we total 91050 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 15,000, we will get 17,050 rupees minus no scrap value. Total units is 9,400. Scrap units is 9,940. So we have to divide it. If we divide, we will get 13.8. This 13.8 we have to take here. 13.8. If we take, we have to multiply this. 13.8 into 8,000. We will get 1,10,400. 460 into 13.8, we will get 63,480. If we add both, 1,16,748. Here 9150 plus 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 15,000. We will get 11,050. Here we are getting less. If we take decimals continuously, we will get the proper answer. Here only less amount, no, we can round off and write.